To redeem cashback from Bank of America, start by logging into your online account or mobile banking app. Once you are logged in, navigate to the Rewards or Cashback section of your account, where you will see the total amount of cashback you have earned. Next, review the available redemption options, which may include statement credits, direct deposits, gift cards, or checks. Statement credits are a popular choice, as they can be applied directly to your account balance. To redeem your cashback, select the desired redemption option and follow the prompts to complete the process. For example, if you choose to receive a statement credit, you will need to confirm the amount you want to redeem and agree to the terms. It is essential to note that some redemption options may have minimum or maximum redemption amounts, so be sure to review the terms and conditions before making your selection. Additionally, cashback rewards may expire if not redeemed within a certain timeframe, so be sure to review your account regularly to ensure you do not miss out on your rewards. To get the most out of your Bank of America cashback rewards, consider setting up automatic redemption, which allows you to redeem your cashback at regular intervals. You can also combine your cashback rewards with other Bank of America rewards programs to maximize your earnings. By following these steps and understanding the redemption options and terms, you can easily redeem your cashback from Bank of America and make the most of your rewards. Remember to always review your account regularly to stay on top of your rewards and redemption options.